So this is the question: vowel or consonant? Okay. So what we are going to do first, we are going to read a letter. Okay, read a letter of the alphabet from the user. Okay, so using input. Okay, using input, we are going to read a letter from the user. Okay, this is user defined input. We are going to use input. Okay, since the nature of the input is letter, no need of the type conversion. Okay, automatically it is stored as string format. Okay, so how the program has to work means, if the entered letter is A, E, I, O, U, then it has to display that the entered letter is vowel. Okay, entered letter is a vowel. If the user, suppose if he is entering Y, then the program has to say that sometimes Y is a vowel, sometimes it is a consonant. Okay, so other than this A, E, I, O, U and Y, whatever he is entering, it should be displayed as consonant. Okay, very simple program. Let me try this in the spider. Otherwise, what I will do, this program is vowel or consonant. Okay. First, we need to get the input from the user. So let me use, okay, variable letter input, enter a character. Yeah. Okay. Enter a character. So comment line. This program is for to display the entered character is a vowel or consonant. I'm just getting the input in letter input, enter a character. Okay. Then if letter, okay, double equal to a. Okay. See, I'm using conditional operator as well as logical operator. Why I am using logical operator? Okay, you remember there are three logical operators we have discussed: and, a and d, and, or then not. Okay, if you see, if the letter is a, or e, or I, or o, or u, I have to display. Okay, it's a vowel. Okay, so I'm using logical operator. If any one of the condition is true, also it will display, okay, vowel. So I'm just using logical or here. Okay, let me copy instead of typing a, e, I, o, a, e, I, u. See, if you feel that this letter is a lengthy variable, you can use just L. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, we know that if we are using if, then we have to terminate with colon. Okay, terminate with colon. So again, in yesterday's class, we have discussed about indentation. Okay, that's very important. See, automatically, whenever you are using Spider, that indentation is coming. If you are using basic version of Python, then you need to be careful. I think you have to give the tab spaces and all. So when this is true, okay, print e. entered character is a vowel. Okay, the entered character is a vowel. Okay, then a leaf, again I am just giving the condition whether the letter double equal to y. Okay, whether the letter double equal to y. If that is the case, okay, again I am just using colon. I need to print sometimes y is a vowel, sometimes it is a consonant. Okay, then when both the conditions are not satisfied, okay, then all others I have to, okay, categorize. I have to print, okay, the entered character is a constant. Okay, the entered character is a constant. I think we are done with the program. We will test the program whether it is working or not. Let me execute the code. See, it is asking for a character. Let me give A. The entered character is a vowel. Let me try. This is the testing phase. I have to give all possible inputs. Okay, I have to give all possible inputs. Let me give E. See, it is a vowel. I, it is a vowel. O, it is a vowel. U, it is a vowel. Let me try with Y. Sometimes Y is a vowel, sometimes it is a consonant. Okay. Let me try with Z. The entered character is a consonant. Okay. The program is working. Okay. This is a very simple program. Okay. It has multiple alternatives. It has multiple alternatives. Okay. I hope you understood the program. You have any doubts here? If you are comfortable, we can go for the next example. Can I go for the next example? See, as per the program, it will enter it as a consonant. You can try that. Okay. Say I am just entering 10. It will say it is a consonant. The reason is, if we enter, if I don't use the data type conversion, everything will be stored as a character. Okay, string format. So it is not falling in the first category. It is also not falling in the second alternative. So obviously it will be printed as consonant. That is the reason while getting the input, you give the proper instruction. Okay. So you just give the instruction, enter a character. Okay. Maybe you can do like this, not a number, okay, or symbols, something like this. You can give the instruction so that the user will not get confusion. Okay. As per the program, this program, if you just give 10 or any number, if you give, that number is stored in string format, then it will automatically print consonant. Okay. The program is correct. The program is working without error, but concept wise it is wrong. So you just give proper instruction while getting the input. Okay. It should not be a number or symbols. Okay. It should be a character. It should be a letter. Like that you can give the instruction. Is that okay?